Coming up this week on Global Footprints, it's all about going green room by room. Find out how to save money in the laundry room, the kitchen, the bedroom, the bathroom, the living room, and even the garden. We've got your whole house covered. Tips, tricks, and great advice on how to live a more eco-friendly life. It's time to put some of that green back in your wallet.
Hi, I'm Candice Batista, and welcome to a special edition of Global Footprints. This week, we're heading out of the studio and into the real world to put living green to the test. Join me on My Green Day. My Green Day takes us from room to room. Can you go green in every room? Well, yes, you can. And the good news is, you can save money too. Let's start with the big stuff. Water is only good to the last drop. Then what do? Well, conserve is the way to go at home. When washing dishes by hand, don't let the water run while rinsing. Fill one sink with wash water and the other with rinse water. Run your dishwasher only when it's entirely full, and you'll save about 1,000 gallons of water a month. Also, you'll want to time your showers and keep them under 5 minutes. That'll save you about 1,000 gallons of water a month. Okay, so fresh breath is a must, but make sure you turn the tap off when brushing your teeth. For a family of 4, this will save about 200 gallons of water every week. And finally, to ensure the environment doesn't go down the toilet, here are a few things to consider. First, replace your water-guzzling toilet with a new water-efficient model. If you can't do that, there's always the toilet tank bank. Here's how it works. Grab an old container, fill it with water, place it in the tank, and voila! You've displaced the water, making your toilet use less with every flush. Next, want to save money on your energy bills and cut down on your CO2 emissions? Well, turning your appliances off will turn you on to being green. Almost everything we own at home draws power and wastes energy. Your TV, your microwave, your blender, your alarm clock, your computer, and even your cell phone charger suck energy even when they're not being used and considered to be off. All appliances have standby functions that allow them to keep drawing energy as long as they are plugged in. Standby power accounts for 5 to 10% of all electricity used in the typical Canadian home. So what do? Well, it's simple. When you're done using something, simply pull out the plug or use a power strip bar. It's okay to light up your life, but please choose the right light bulb. If everyone in Canada switched just one bulb in their home to a CFL or compact fluorescent, Canada would save about $73 million a year in energy costs.